Scrunch it up into your thumb as far as you can comfortably go. And then with your finger, poke a piece of fabric up into the scrunched up part, then grab a hold of that piece to pull it out. And then you're done. You made it! Now comes the best part. So you can wrap the belt around your waist for a front knot, or you can style it differently. You can wrap it around so it's flat in the front with a bow in the back.